Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty cool one. We got an Etsy unboxing. This is from Bruce Charles Designs on Etsy. This was sent to me by Bill Starhan. And yeah, I've seen a couple of those things around the Facebook pages, so I hit him up, wanted to try some of the things, and he said yes. So here we are. Again, I will leave a link to all the stuff that's in here down below. I think it's like 2 things. So yeah, make sure to check out his Etsy page down below, and yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna open this up a bit off camera. All right, 1 sec. Here we got some stickers, pretty cool. All right. Wow, the packaging is on point, I'll tell you that for sure. All right, by the way, here is Bruce's Etsy account. You can check him out. Here's the stuff I got. That's the stuff. So I'm gonna link this down below. He also makes sliders, tops, pretty cool stuff. So if you're into this stuff, check it out down below. I will leave a link to this. All right, back to the video. So he also included a card for me. Thank you so much for the support. We look forward to seeing your videos. Have an amazing week, Bruce. Thanks so much for sending these over. Cannot wait to review them. So yeah, they have a Facebook too as well, if you want to check them out. There is his Facebook right there. All right, let's check this out. All right, so it's 2 things. Gonna figure out which one I'm gonna review first. The micro. I don't know. Let's do this first. Gonna open this. This would be done in a separate video. All right, here we go. Bruce Charles Designs. That's pretty cool. All right. Here's another card. Oh yeah, here we go. Off your next purchase. There's the link. You guys want to check that out? All right. Here we go. Oh, it's this thing. Nice. I've wanted to try this out so bad. All right, here we go. Oh, it's in 2 different bags. Pretty cool. There we go. Materials brass. They got magnets. All right, now let me go ahead and check the weight. .43, 14.46. Awesome. All right, there you go. Definitely an interesting design, I'll say that for sure. Oh, you can do both sides. That's pretty cool. So one side is stronger with the magnet than the other side. As you can see, this right here. And then here they're way closer. But you can use both sides, which is pretty cool. Interesting. It's kind of addicting, to be honest, even though it's small. It's nice to play with. Now I wonder, that's pretty cool. You can kind of like use these things with other sliders as well, so you can come up with like cool ways to play with them. And that's pretty cool. All right, I just wanted to try that out real quick, and you can very interesting. All right, let me do the sound test real quick. All right. Not loud at all, which is nice. So max like 64. Well, overall, I dig this. It's like a small little fidget you can carry with you anywhere. Maybe even put it on a keychain. And then you can just take it off the keychain when you don't want to use it anymore. I mean, when you want to use it, sorry. And then put it back when you're done using it. And the fact that you can use both sides to slide, pretty cool. So here are the dimensions. .8. Same thing. And 10 millimeters in height. All right. Pretty cool. Definitely like really nice packaging too. So that's always good to see. And yeah, again, I will link his Etsy down below. Make sure to check it out. I am gonna unbox the other thing he sent. And then yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.